coming away. You got a breakaway. Looking wide with speed. Into 27. Saved by Mello. Turn it right over in the slot. Saved by Mello. Mavs down. Nice save by Mello. Rampage winner face off. After point. Tipped wide. Rampage. Through the crease. Rampage controlling now. A little bit of a buzz. Looking for space in the middle. Save on Mello. And Mavs try to come away with it. Stick save by Mello. Save by Mello. Nice cover and a nice save. Mavs come away with it. Turn it over. Save by Mello. Down to the over. Number 5 with the puck. Drops it. Blocker save by Mello. 15. Throws it in towards the net. 11 minutes left to go in the period. Rampage is going to hold it in. Mello's going to go up back. 2-on-1 developing. Saved by Mello. Puck in behind. Mavs able to stick that one away. Just off of Mello's pads. 3. Good save by Mello. The Mavs are leaving that open. Puck to the point. Good save by Mello. Picked off. We got a 2-on-1 working. Save by Mello. Nice, right into the chest of Mello. Get it back to the point. Oh, off the body. Back to the point. And just tipped in. Mello with a good save. Turns it over. Held in by the... nice save by Mello. Rampage have it. Saved by Mello. That's a great 1-1. Saved by Mello. T-Birds with the puck. Turns it right over in the... Save right into Mello's right basket. Giving him no room whatsoever. Saved by Mello. Saved by Mello. Just gobbled. Pick it up. Good shot. Looking to drive hard. Try to get into the center. Just a quick wrist shot. Quick save by Mello. Lose it. Got a clean 2-on-1. Saved by Mello. 28 working his way in. Looking away. Shot on Mello. No, good save. T-Birds breaking. Odd numbers. Into the middle. Save. Couple of saves by Mello. 2-on-1. T-Birds looking. Mello with a save. The odd man rush working for the T-Birds. Hits Mello in the mask. Mello with another save. T-Birds looking for the guy coming across. Saved by Mello. T-Birds looking to get it back. Saved by Mello. Nice save. Don't seem to be up. Another save by Mello. Another save by Mello. Mello's going to dive out. T-Birds with the shot. Number 2 going wide. Save right into Mello. Number 5. Mello looking. Good save by Mello. Saw it at the last second. Don't give on go. Save by Mello. Up goes the hit. Number 18 just going to drive in. Saved by Mello. Up off the stick. Dallas hit the puck. Going to get it back to the blue line. And Mello back to the blue line. Good save by Mello. Mavs getting Dallas now. We're getting an early chance. Another great save by Mello. Dallas hit the puck. Still controlling out in front. Nice save by Mello. Point. Looking for the tip. Good save by Mello. Coming in on Mello. Good save by Mello. Third 2-on-1. 14's going hard. He's going in wide on Mello. Tries to backhand over the top. Blocker save by Mello. Good save by Mello. The was offside. No call. Nice save by Mello. Getting back to the point. Save right over the bread back. Good save by Mello. 14 trying to hold it. Get a little bit of a two-man game. Save by Mello. Dallas come with a 2-on-1. Good save by Mello. Picked off. Good save by Mello. Dallas took the way out. Coming in the zone. Good save by Mello. They'll pick it up. They'll control through the front. Good save by Mello. Looking for the man in the front. Save by Mello. Dallas buzzing. Saved by Mello. Stand on by Mavs player. Saved by Mello. Another save by Mello. Another save. Behind the net. Just wide of Mello, the board. Dallas with the puck. What a great save by Mello.